Say the media no so obia air tuja obia bogumbe firemen and supermen. Say make say the medical and Criss Waddle omunyina ye bi say gumbi ni attack na eba no ano ohye. MC Yaa Yeboah, Vida Adutwumwaa Arnold Baidoo any Ola Michael or United Showbiz enra omo beke kan wadwen pa de a Criss Waddle any medical concerning the fact say medical a copyright Alabaster Boss omo enyom Alabaster Boss SU medical no Criss Waddle ever can symbol Twitter and as X because of that in fact Arnold Baidoo ake kan adwen a Criss Waddle pay tan aha Penyah block media mess ra say any demo obe like video around wa subscribe button and snap click the notification and on latest updates na ba chere wa adwen dia ma me e wo comment da shemelo so ba so na she video mo for so enya bi ahwe 8 week mo dey say ade ba kwa trend the lawsuit against medical ni nyina say medical na say medical e drop enwum bi a wato enwum di ni welcome to Africa na that enwum na wabo no ana Alabaster Boss for SU medical say medical you see part of their song without their consent, without their knowledge. It's a copyright. And Abia, you might be wondering, say, Alabaster Boss for Ewa Nyumbi, how much do you welcome? This is their song. What I say? And America actually not releasing here, no. This is Medica's own. Let's go him what Obia Bibia Dia say the same song. Copyright. Copyright. And because of that, Alabaster Boss for SU Medical, almost charging a sum of 15 million Ghana cedis. Titikano 150 billion. 150 billion old Ghana cedis. Yesika kuma. Na no Anna Criss Waddle. I got on the X and as a formerly Twitter. I know what you say. Abrabon na FOMO. To see a Christian musician suing his son's age mate for money surprises me. Munyame sumponie, and this reminds me of a song that Obi Boy said. Munyame sumponie, na veyo crown for Munyame sumponie, na veyo widini. Yes, sir, send me as a nada ne koti. What I say? Munyame sumponie, Munyame sumponi, Munyame sumponie. Eja same na Criss Waddle ekan ye no ana on United Showbiz MC Yaa Yeboah Vida Adutwumwaa ene Arnold Baidoo Ola in fact omunyina kekon adwan a kire Criss Waddle person asma Criss Waddle kan eyenkwase asem ana all kan no mu kire say medical 15 million Ghana cedis na Alabaster Boss for H0T esu Alabaster Boss enfa bi peace.
If indeed tweeting from Criss Waddle no if you no an account, right? Because me who here. If you on one Criss Waddle on the account, and say who no say Alabaster Boss for Papa 4. Tell no more on my collar court. Yes, back. Because you see, as Ola can wrong, we say see ya. Criss Waddle no when you were industry no. How the medical the bar scene him. Because so many answers same catch medical said why am from so. And you say near it's no me am paying no can figure out a way and free money and something out. We no be trust say Papa 4 or me got some for Papa 4 no other no me na makola. Yes be na wom. It's wo state yourself build over the years we industry no o de ye den. Wa call an afrom no wo ye creative person. So be kofa work Criss Waddle won and as a medical na so be kofa nyom no ye entire be yode. Say gospel Papa 4 no. It's who na what you na work. Say gospel Papa 4 no na modern mobile na court. Ah we a creative person. We a creative wo pepe. We call into the booth or the what drain who figure out how to do who the way back who the bomb na complete. So be very far. No use or infringing on your copywriter. Now creative persons more creative for you na there's some woman no ayemo intellectual property that IP sa adwin na multimedia create no sa skill now more biggest one you know sa IP no so be far whether a gospel artist or whether a Hindu artist or and fa ho The rights has been infringed upon to be take action. So don't sit in the comfort of your home wherever you are and say gospel papa phone and I want to call and court. We say muna udim. Me grow. Now we need
progressive comment.
Say wo akwala na from na say friend and I say mo be free alabasta boss for na mo say na me dele no. Wo titi say hu.
2 minutes and answer.
No, what the kaka. Empress the ten say see I say me see alabasta box no mo lawyers ehu me.
Okay.
And any DM or much letter. Say, from so now why you by your mouth, Kunya no, I didn't rectify and I say what correcting. Then the FSC, a man court first though. Almost sure was a you was to say, what fire dear. Interpolation, no, that's you used it first couple of seconds in it. That's your intro. And the mate here when I say, Bema, what for yadio be what but yen pese be caught the next level. It's yenye ABCD actual. You know what medical did? And no it's a no be delay no. Oni ni papa Criss Waddle. Omo ni nkofo be delay no. And okuyi sapet no efi enyum ni. Yes, you see how call YouTube now go bonyum na sa part no we yefi. But the hand it's there. So you see the bad faith. How much you say you who there why you tia now so ye ABC someone name on ye. Okay. Seriously, let an move kind money be an be hi can you be has let me even permit me.
3 minutes and
oh never be omoka say medical you know maybe be an for kaka because at the point you omoka say as of the time I'm on letter skibi how make you and you know be on my account or we are uncle like it was a conversation and you see what they on the number no cross out to so say one here it has so be send email or be friend and also be text they gave you that option.
The bachelor now also say if Criss Waddle
yes
in the handle any I'll say abrabo na for more to see Christian musicians sue their son's age mates for money still surprises me. Oh, Munyamu Simponi.
Yeah, what's that? Wait. No, and this is coming from and this is actually coming from another creative.
It's his handle.
Who has been in the industry for years. Actually, he should know better. It's a way or no Criss Waddle no so advice American or can we then yeah, can I say about it?
Time
now.
That copywriting common. Hey. Let me say I say we soon can meka ya but say tweet no la read no grammar oh say intellectual property no the right is reserved for the owners of an intellectual property their entire life and 70 years after their death. Creativity na say ye wo nyuma se metumi afa eya wo dia no wu achi no 70 years and some metumi afa e bi a me mo amanye you know afa obi hook just the whole thing you once the son sakasa bebe wo metumi akadagomba whatever you took the same thing and that song is a song that at least who you be ala wo tie kwa mesefa kan ya you will know that song every morning. I saw Kojo Sheldon do his commentary about the song and all that. Then the people, out of respect, write to you and tell you that Abrantie, intellectual property now about the fan. Say no. So yes, I yes, sir. We will move on to the next step that we are supposed to. One feel so we are smart when you are wine. Until you go back and then you pick that idea now then you cut it and then you repost the video, not even giving reverence and audience to these people. Then they take you to court. And someone sitting somewhere thinks that remember social media about say you are taking your sons to court. What kind of nonsense is this? The ignorance in this industry, no, too much.
Oh, so
listen,
nonsense.
Any example, remember my example.
Question.
Oh, Mr. Drew. And you know, only see me,
Rotimi.
What is this? Do you think, sir, these men that you took their intellectual property? And think, you know, we talk about it. Do you think that they will stay for some pakodo?
Committee.
Then you want to ridicule them on top of the whole issue? Do we even understand the job that we are doing? Elsewhere in other countries, that is why we don't go forward in this industry. And they be a mekachenko for say, when people offend you in terms of real intellectual property and all of that, some people defame you. If you take them to court, make sure make sure that you will go the full length. You see that the wheel of justice grinds slowly, but make sure some be fame. There will be a fame, and I want maybe and you see, my point is that they disrespect the effrontery and temerity to sit in your home and even tweet on social media, trying to tell them that they are saying when you do namo obi abe famo nyoma na de wo nyansa ni bia ye de tworo nyom saa ya botere ma e twi kasa na maker update na wan tworo de na akofo obi de hye
Hook ni anything.
Eya wo de ntia hook obusa entima be empress ma ba wo fie me ba ye wo jeans 2 piece ya wo hye ye wo Chanel necklaces is ene bo eya me fe me se eya me fe ntima fa man can't
Lavamba by tea.
What kind of this thing is that we cannot move forward as people in this industry? To me, Nisa. Now, singer, kill the cat black, kill the cat, Drake anyway. Oh, somebody on my who say inquire where they. But Mudia, Obi Befamo dia, Mobile and say when you do Penyah, me, I will quite sorry to
Penyah, many a day.
Yeah, but
I understand, but I mean, carbon. It's a fact. Asofo biu ene omoyirimu ja aware ade komu kuja no court. So
it is so ja aware among court.
No, me person say court has nothing to do with say we Christopher and onye ufo sabi
asemi kwa me missing.
Uria obi Christonia there. You don't say someone from court. Into omungu. That's what do court.
It's a patcho Alabasta was for the medical e court.
Ne kwaso ano no.
Ne kwaso ano. Me say Ultimi enkofo obi ade abra wo mo na mane ene krono ne se wafa no amoma mane sabi obi years ago omadwina bom age inspiration free Holy Ghost akeka normal bom etimi create such a beautiful tune eya ode health ne kwaso no ko hu omo oh mejanom mo ade we nkampese me somu kakra de ye ma ade and she share owo ho ne say pa omeka say oh fuck or yeshra so ama they said some of these old gospel artists me can't old and just one more bomb legends the last time Madam Georgina is it Georgia J
I think it was her also on the no she doesn't take anything use it honestly or say yeah she likes it that way no no dear no but enye obi a netisa
okay
what you say enye obi a netisa it's me who say mo ade ne court no I feel like well that's the best thing to do so I made what wa me bodua wa mfa me krom nso anto nso nyama modua also me dey court it's court so ye duru a yetimi eka say oh se be anka mo kosisi asem ofi mi ehwe ti say sa akode issue bia one is it Jeremiah some time ago about a bit my mark akosisi no fie e bi so ne eye kojonka sale we ne matter asemi is a dream pepe so be eye ADR so okay mun ko transna mun hwe so mun betimi resolve ya de na but usually no o kwa wo de so obo omo 15 million and just say ne ombenya wa ha betimi di nkoma asresra mo na obetua be 5,000 and 50 million but e me hu say ne nua panyino se ne papa ayi Criss Waddle ababe tutu ayampia fasa asem no it tells you the level of ignorance and go forward our industry
hello sit
oh na ayampia no say Christopher ayi papa Christopher papa for
and I'm mode your mobile cocoa so I form money.
Did you really say that?
It makes you feel say maybe I'm say people talk about music, the musicians in day, but unfortunately they don't really know much about human normal. Copyright issues are very important and serious issues. It has nothing to do with family relations. And I say we are Christian and I say we are Penyah. No, at all. Obi ntimi kofa medical nyom e ma na international free. Sanso na also ntimi go for obedient. It's as simple as that. It is a why am from so a ntempa na ko wato achom. Oh, ebusia we na mfa nche o. Ye we de na minim de wade husa mfa nche me. Bibi wo se me ye na menye ansa na bi ade ya ginsem. Simple. Omo ye nipa. Omo ase. But we are who tintin to gina fa na wo su gina fa e bi na to timidity for ne catch Kwame appear. Okay. Kwame Miki. Who say adene babo nto mo fa chi ne kodi hu nkomo akosisi asem ne kama ma de oso mutua. It's as simple as that. So I think that we know they've taken the right channel, they are doing the right thing. Omunya bone omu enku omunkuntia nyame hihye ye bia. So medical should have a lawyer and they should do the needful. Uncle court.
Okay.
Uncle court.
Okay, sorry.
No, Uncle court. It's a obi medical in case Uncle court. It's me case of Uncle Namcotia. It also can also the lawyer call. Then you move the no and I say court a boa bema. You go your way. Court boa for then you do the needful and then everybody goes with his way. Then the other people also learn that we just don't jump on people's thing and take it for free. No matter who they are. Omu Christopher, omu Buddha for cry, seek permission.
So can you tell free tweet na Ola na and you be an to me make it quick money. Your system you our born son when sika ba begun sem. That is the reason why Alabasta for no omuji too so intellectual property na we say a year juma ma omo. Like Arnold said, no one mouse I respect no say che sign like I idea what you sign the way omo forthcoming with information on this matter and come back trust say oh ye ni medical din komo kwa ma fade we jam. This is not the first time I think some kwame Eugene the nyoma we abro na so akofa mali ni bi nyum sa na nyum confusion definition and infringement ya na say you see how omo ni kwa miki kan ya asem no etoy channel we aso na ye survey asem no now medical na say obu full TV3 for concerning sakode issue omo kan wow how I would before react take catch obi say excuse me to say so obi a mother and dey we one and if this is how you react now what for obi intellectual property am ba be how on reacted towards it and it doesn't make any sense now no say your money hash in your mouth demanding a hash, but it is because of the disrespect now. Medical ban no dear mom or more calling for stiffer punishment. And now even say 50 million come up for abuse.
Me das. Omo fa bin kan ho na eyem kwase asem ana Criss Waddle ege kana. Tirewa je mama e wo comment section. What is your take on that? Say as Christian musician, obi ayi so nyom part of onyom as e dey acquire on property we am credit without your consent. What's you know? Is it right? Now, some so Criss Waddle be kan ya amon food na tabi. What is your take on that? Tirewa je mama e wo comment section. Aha Penyah blog media.